So let's examine the most wanted follower or the follower design pattern in more detail. And the idea with the follower design pattern is that we are not interested in the most something or least something, but we are interested in something that changes according to some other value. So we are interested in the second most wanted or the second lowest or internally in this kind of thing that changes when we have something that's more interesting. Then we also are interested in the second or third or something like that. And like always, we have the variables where we need to store them. So we have the most wanted holder, and then we have the follower variable, and we set them as 0. And let's look at this follower pattern. It can be used also outside of this kind of most wanted or case. For example, there could be a flag follower, or there could be a gatherer follower in some cases where it's needed. But I think that this is the best case to show how it works. And let's look at the most wanted holder. So here was the pattern to make most wanted holder. So we have the variable, then we go through a file, then for each number in that file we compare if that's larger than the current most wanted holder, and if it's higher than the most wanted holder, then we say that most wanted holder now is this number, and this makes sure that in the end of the file when we've gone through everything, the most wanted holder is the highest number from the pile of numbers in example.txt. And how we change this, if we are interested in the second most highest, is that we add the follower pattern and we do a few changes. So of course we need to do the addition of the new variable. So we need to have the most wanted follower, and we set it up as 0. And then you see that inside the condition structure we've also added, so we've added one more update there. We do not just say that most wanted holder is the number. So we don't just update the most wanted holder, we also update the most wanted follower, and in the because it's first and then the update of the most wanted holder is second, most wanted follower has sort of the prior value of most wanted holder when we update the most wanted holder in this way. And then we can finally print out the outcome. The second highest number is most wanted follower because we've gone through all of the file, example.txt. We've compared for each number if the line is a higher number than the current number, and if it is, we've done 2 updates. We've updated the most wanted holder to be the number that's the highest number, and then we've done the prior doing that. We've done the update where we store the previous most wanted holder, which now must be the second highest number because we've just found a new highest number, and we've stored that in the follower variable.